everyone. In this video, we will do the challenge discussion for 4.2. So in 4.2, you have to add a internal link. That means like a link inside the document. Like maybe here, say we want to add a link, and like we want to add a link like here at the full down and saying go up, maybe for someone in mobile, or when you create websites also sometimes need it like go up or go to this, or in the menus also you need it like in the sections of the page you can use that. So all about this documentation is given in wiki. You can read about that. So in this challenge, you should do the same. You should add an internal link to this. Welcome to Annie's wiki. And in the internal link, you should add the text as go up. So meet you in the 4.2 solution discussion.